Representing Baguio Central University, we have Jeff Torrio. And from the blue corner, representing Korean boxing team, we have Lee Anderson Viernes. This is 3 rounds. 3 minutes per round with 1 minute interval. Yung mga natapos na boxer, pupunta dito sa medical team. One minute timer. Oh, good at it. Direct. Great. Ano, timer? Timer.
Fairness!